Hi there, this is Cara with the FBA shipping app, and we've got a exciting new feature that we've just placed into the app. This will help stores that have enabled the sync option, and mainly stores that have hundreds or thousands upon thousands of SKUs that they need to edit and set up in the sync settings of the app. So I'm in a store right now. I'm going to go ahead and navigate to the FBA shipping app. If you have turned on the sync option, you will see a sync button in the app. Go ahead and press sync, which is going to open to the product sync page. There's a menu to the right that's purple. Hover over that, click on products, and click on sync settings. These are the sync settings for your products that you will need to set up prior to using the app. Notice the advanced search and edit button. Go ahead and click on that. Now you can search for products that you wish to edit before editing them. So for a store that has many SKUs, thousands and thousands, you can actually not fill out anything up here and press search. In our example today, this store has over 4,000 SKUs. If you would like, you can set up the settings for all of these SKUs at once. So if you would like to sync the inventory for all SKUs, but not the price, you'll also need to assign the correct marketplace and the correct location to the products. Don't forget, whatever the location is right here needs to match the product's location in Shopify that's usually titled stocked at or inventory will be stocked at. Then if you press update, all 4,209 of these SKUs will be updated to only sync inventory in Germany with this location. You can also search by a SKU, product type, title, or just search by marketplace or location. You can also use this option to only return products with warnings. So if we check this, let's press search, and we only have one product with a warning. You can edit the product down here or not and go ahead and update to just see that one product and edit it. I hope this helps. Thank you.